Hi everyone, it's Lisa Moore, your instructor for English 102. Welcome to week 6. I apologize that this video is coming to you on a Tuesday. I hope that you all had a great weekend. So let's talk about what is going on right now. Okay, so on Friday, you should have all posted in your peer review groups. We're still waiting on a few classmates to post. Each group is about 4 people. I think there's one group that's 5 people, but for the most part, everybody has 4 people in their groups. And what you are expected to do is reply to every group mate. So I've gone through the gradebook today. A few of you look like you've done your due diligence and you're done, and I've given you a score. Some of you I've posted a reminder to get your outline posted in peer review so you could get your classmates' feedback. And a number of you I've asked to remember that you need to go back in and reply to all of your classmates. And that needs to be done this week. The sooner the better. If you could get it done before tomorrow at midnight, that would be fantastic. As soon as peer review is done, everybody could take the feedback they've been given and fine-tune their final draft and submit it. The final draft of paper 1 is due on October 1st, but it's open now. So when you're done with it and you feel good, maybe wait until Wednesday to make sure you've gotten feedback from all of your classmates, but you could submit it ahead of time and that would be just fine. You have all turned in your prospectus number 2 papers, so I'll be working on those this week while you're working through peer review. Coming up in week 7, like I said, on Monday of week 7, your final draft of paper 1 is due. This is week 6. In week 6, you also have your next Odyssey assignment, assignment number 5, which is about locating books. Books, you remember those, right? In a research class, we use all sorts of sources, including books. So that is due tomorrow, and it looks like lesson 5.2, learning how to document sources in MLA style, is probably due on Friday. So those things are due while you're doing your peer review and while you're finishing up your first paper. Next week, as I said, on October 1st, the final draft of paper 1 is due. And you'll see that by next Friday, October 5th, I have a flag asking you to start drafting paper number 2. So just know that now that we're in it, the papers are going to start coming, but I'm pacing you. I tell you when to start your drafts, I tell you when to start peer review, and that gives you some time so that you're not leaving writing up to the last minute the night before a final draft is due. I guarantee you, you'll get better scores by taking the time on these papers. Paper 2 will be a synthesis paper, which basically is where you're going to present the issue and the background information on it that people might need to understand to grasp the issue, and a brief glimpse at both sides of the argument. You will be taking one side in your paper, but we're going to be acknowledging that there are other sides to these issues. So you'll start drafting on October 5th, and we'll start that peer review on October 12th. If you're feeling like I'm throwing a lot of dates at you, don't stress. You could just go to the syllabus tab, and beneath the written syllabus, you'll see a list of all of the due dates for this course. So you have access to all of these due dates. As always, if you're struggling with anything, please feel free to contact me through Canvas inbox. I'm here to help you. I will say, however, that you guys are rocking it. This class is doing a really good job. You guys are really hanging in there. English 102 Online is not an easy class, but you have already made it through what I consider to be like the hardest part of it. We are going to start focusing more on actually writing the papers now, but as we do so, you'll have a little less, fewer coursework assignments. You'll see that by the end of the semester, you have very few things due in class as you're writing your paper. So, good job, everybody. Let me know if you need anything, and I will see you in Canvas. Have a great day.